This will continue to keep house prices and rents stable. So the blank one is to be the option which will affect the confidence in a stable and positive manner. Enervated as choice A means causing to feel weak and with no energy, which gives a negative vibe with respect to the stability mentioned. So we can easily eliminate choice A. And endanger as choice C also gives a wrong vibe, which can also be eliminated for the same reason, because it cannot be endangered. Rather, continuity in instability makes the development, which is made by engender. So choice B is the correct answer for blank one. If the market is stable and the confidence is engendered, then the markets need to stay strong through the turbulent times. Ale as choice E and frail as choice F mean the making ill or weak and easily damaged, which are against the prediction, but the robust as choice D means strong and healthy or unlikely to break, which fits the blank with respect to the blank one and the prediction. So choice E and F are eliminated, and choice D is the correct answer for blank 2. So the correct answers are choice B and choice D.